thing we did is we had an old shop that was just under 5,000 square feet, and we've expanded this now to be just over 8,000 square feet. We were able to add, 2 overhead doors so we can bring material in through this portion from our warehouse. And then it comes into the staging area where we have some of our component inventory. We have an automated cutting machine here. So instead of it just being a manual operation, we now have the opportunity to use an automatic piece of equipment to help speed up some of the large jobs that we're cutting multiple lengths of the same cable. As we move through, we get into what was just the portion we had before, which was right around 4,000 square feet. Our builders were right on top of each other. You had materials all over the place. As you can see, we do have some nice open space so we can spread out with our builders. But also, as we are going to keep adding capacity and the expansion, we can add more builders in here as well. As you see over here, we have some of our builders that are lined up against this wall. Really nice thing we added with all of our equipment in here was to get as much as we can up on casters. So it's very modular. So if we have a big job coming up, we want to set up a cell, we can easily move those, make it a much faster process. So we have 100% quality control and check on everything we build in this shop. It's checked, it moves into our closing area. If it's going to go to molding, it goes to mold prep, and also maybe doing some epoxy backfilling to keep the moisture out of the connection. We do have a low pressure injection molder. If it goes through molding or closing, it then moves to our secondary QC. We use Cirrus machines, so we have some automated testing there. Once it passes our quality control, it gets its labels on it, moves to packaging and shipping, and then from there, once it's done, good to go, it'll move out this other dock door that we added here, so we have this nice flow, incoming material and then outgoing material, and not a lot of overlap. So with the facility, we've added more space, we've upgraded some of the equipment, we've gotten things up on wheels, we can make it move around as best as we need to, and make it a really nice flow out the door. It's a really good environment. I'm super excited with what we did here. We've set ourselves up to add capacity for years to come.